What's up, guys? My hair is looking really rough. This is like a not really continuation because it's nothing to do with the last video. God, my hair really does look really bad. Looks like I've got a chunk out of my head. But anyway, I had a shower and got ready again. Same clothes, but still. Needed to have a shower. And I'm just going up to meet Ben and Charlotte at Co-op. And we're just going to buy some bits and have like a picnic kind of a thing. Like we're going to walk around, do like one of our walking things again. Like last time we walked for ages and we just walk randomly and end up in random places. So we're being interrupted there. I just had a call from Charlotte, so it stopped recording. Yeah. So like last time, as I was saying, I think this is what I got up to. We just went for like a walk around and stuff, and yeah, it was just like a kind of random walk, so we didn't know where we were actually going, and we ended up in some random forest, and so I'm really out of breath because I was just like walking up a really big hill, and having to talk is really hard when you're walking. But yeah, we just enjoy doing things like this because it's good for the health and you're with friends, it's fun. And we're trying to get our bodies ready for prom because prom is in 2-3 weeks, I think. I can't remember. It's on the 5th of July. But yeah, I'll probably just be recording random little pieces from today. So I'm already a bit late. I was meant to meet them at 12 and I think it's 12 now. Oh well. I'm being fashionably late, darlings, because I had to like walk my dog and shit. And I had to have a shower and shit. And I recorded a video and shit. So I'm in the mood of saying I'm shit. Shit. Anyway, see you in a sec. Just walking through the forest. Oh, you little biatch. Oh shit. There are vines everywhere. Not liking this.
Already going crazy in the woods. Oh.
There's a house. This is good. This is tiring. I'm fucked. Oh. You're right there, Charlotte.
I'm alright. Are you alright? I'm out of breath because I'm fat. Other than that.
Charlotte. You're right.
I mean, should we split up or? Oh, fuck me.
Oh, well,
Oh, you're killing me, you're killing me.
Charlotte just shit her pants.
Oh shit, because by the time I get to the middle, my bum will be on the floor.
Just go.
No, that's not going to fucking take me.
It will, look.
Yeah. I can't do it. I can't do it. I haven't got the upper body strength to pull myself.
Ben, go.
Should we just play the game where we have to hit it? That was quite fun.
Yeah, and then it falls out and hits you again. Oh, Charlotte's like running. Go on, Charlotte. Go on, Charlotte. I'm looking suspicious. Charlotte.
Okay. I was just thinking. Why are you filming?
Because your laugh is hilarious.
It's getting worse. It's getting worse. Fuck off. Oh, this.
Bitch. Bitch, don't throw that at me.
That's the game you could play. Oh, Josh, look,
Dude. Oh my god. Bitch.
ouch.
Ouch. Oh my god. It's the hand one, you donut. In the gym at the park. Yes. Working out on the leg press. Great for working your legs and bum. I'm going to have a Kardashian bum. Do you know this? Do you understand? I'm going to have a Kardashian bum. Kardashian bum. Ow. Just got back home. Oh my god. I'm absolutely worn out from that. It's so tiring. Only like sort of recorded, not like film like this, but like I monitored a little part of our walk, which is like from the park onwards, and it said it was 8 kilometers, which is just crazy. And like, oh my god, I just feel so tired and drained. And I think we did do like a few kilometers before that, so it could, I think it's between 10 and 15 kilometers in total. And I'm quite proud of that walk. We got really far. We got to like from kind of Shirley to Addington area, like Lloyd Park, and then we got the tram over to East Croydon, and then me and Ben got the bus back into Shirley and walked down the big road to our houses. So I think we've done pretty well with walking. My legs and feet are definitely hurting. And we did go into that gym, so that should have helped as well. Oh, my nose. So I'm back home. Got my water, because I'm healthy. I drink water. Sorry if I keep sniffling, it's just I've been outside, so hay fever kind of does hit. Oh, I know, it sounds beautiful. But, so my dog's outside my room, like moved. I was like, But yes, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Why is my finger sticking out? Give it a thumbs up. No, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below and do what you want, body, but don't. Anyway then, see you later. And that's the second video for today. Yay!